WAXPOL has been in Dubai Automechanika. It's been a regular feature for many years now. And this year is especially very exciting as we met customers from all across Middle East, Africa and CIS countries. And even there are a few from Europe. So we look forward to a very exciting future for WAXPOL business now onwards. WAXPOL is a 75-year-old company based in India. We have 3 manufacturing units, state-of-the-art technology, complete range of car care and lubricants covering the two-wheeler, auto accessories, paints and hardware spectrum. We have a very wide range and our passion is quality. The company's passion has been quality all along. So we don't compromise on the quality of the product. Our target audience are car care product distributors, lubricant distributors, and companies who are handling car care products in their own markets. Talking about electric vehicles, we do have products for EVs, approved products, which are very effective for the electric vehicles. With the passage of time, we have also upgraded ourselves in terms of manufacturing technology, quality controls, and giving the best to the customer. Quality and range and availability throughout India is our advantage. We have offices, stock points, and sales people at the ground level all over India. As far as Middle East and surrounding geography is concerned, we're just beginning to explore. We have had some relationships in Dubai in the past, which is now transforming into a major partnership. So from UAE, we are looking forward to expanding into Africa and the other Middle Eastern countries, CIS countries, and we are fully geared up to provide the technical training and market support and carry out demos and satisfy the end users' need for quality and long-term service. We are expanding geographically. Our brand is very strong. So with premium quality, the brand can go a long way. So now we are trying to tie up with different market people, different countries, different markets, so that the brand gets expanded. And our focus is on quality and meeting the requirements as the market evolves and changes. So there will be no change in that priority.